Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to change your username on Snapchat without waiting for 1 year. So how you can do that, because Snapchat has feature that you cannot change your username after you have changed to once in a year. So how you can do that? First of all, we have to click on profile icon here. After that, you have to click on settings, and if you click on here username, then you can see here we have already changed our username. So they are saying that you can change your username only once a year. If you have mistakenly changed your username, so how you can change again? For this, you have to again click on setting, and you have to scroll down, and you have to look for I need help. So you have to click on that. If you click on I need help, then Snapchat support will be open, and if you search for change username here, then they will tell you how you can change your username. So here, if you click on how to change my username, then they will tell you the method how you can change your username. Because we have already tried this method, so we have to go back and again click on I need help, and we have to open the Snapchat support, and we have to scroll down so that we can click on contact us here. So here you have to click on I need help with the Snapchat feature. So you have to scroll down, and you have to look for what feature is related to you. So you have to click on changing my username. If you click on that, then after that they will tell you the method, because this method doesn't work. So you have to click on here. So you have to still need help. So here you have to provide your username. After providing your username, you have to make sure that you provide your current username. After that, you have to provide here your email you have attached to your Snapchat, and here you have to provide the description of the problem which you are facing. Here you have to paste that already written description, which is as hello Snapchat support team, I have mistakenly changed my username. I want to change my username, but it is showing you can change your username once in a year. So kindly help me in this regard. After doing that, you can fill the captcha and click on the submit, and your report will be submitted to the Snapchat team, and within few days they will contact you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.